What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back at another video. Today I have a couple of things to talk about, man, but the first thing is first, shouts out to everybody a part of the Vintage Gang, man. It really means so much. We finally hit 19,000 subscribers, man. Like I said from the beginning, it means so much. Like, you took your time out of your day to come subscribe, to come watch a video, to come comment. And it just means a lot, man, that you showing your support to somebody that you don't even know. You only know me from what I show you guys on like Instagram and YouTube and stuff like that. And you still take your time out your day and you support the channel, man. It means so much to me. So shouts out to the Vintage Gang. I really appreciate it. Like I said, we have a special giveaway. I told you guys on the live stream we're going to be giving away a pair of Bred 11s, the 2019 version with the hot cut patent leather. If you have not hit the notification bell yet, you need to make sure you hit it right now so you can stay tuned for when the giveaway is about to drop. Maybe drop it on the live stream, and may drop it on a separate video, but you want to be a part of that giveaway to win a free pair of Air Jordan 11 Breds. And the way it's looking right now, it's going to be a number of pairs that's going to be given out. It might be 2 pair, it might be 3 pair, but you know for sure that somebody's going to win. And we should be hitting 20K around December time frame, or really by the end of this month, man. With all you guys' support, I feel like we can definitely do it, man. Y'all been going crazy with the likes, going crazy with the comments and the feedback, and it means so much, man. I respond to every comment. You can go check any video. As soon as I see a comment, I go respond to it, get some conversation going, get some engagement going. So, you know what I'm saying? We can just chop it up about shoes. That's what we're here to do, man. That's what we're here to do on this channel. So, if you ever have a comment, if you ever got a question, I know it's a lot of people asking what jeans I wear, what size shoe should you go with, what different silhouettes. If y'all got any question, let me know down below, man. It helps the channel grow. Every comment, every like, it boosts the channel up, man. It shows YouTube who channel's really popping, man. Like I said, so all you guys' support throughout this whole journey, man, has meant so much to me. I know I took a little break off when I went to Germany. I was taking super long breaks just because it was so busy. My job was so crazy. But now I'm back in Texas. I'm back in the States, that is, and I can drop these videos more consistently, and I start going live, man. So if you have not checked out the past 2 live streams, like I told y'all, your boy's gonna start going live, man. If not every day, every other day, man, because it's easy to go live. Just pull up the laptop, chop it up with your subscribers, talk about what you want to talk about, and it's like fast responses, a live response, so y'all can get my raw, uncut answer to the questions y'all asked, man. And yesterday's on the live stream, I was telling you guys how I'm selling my collection. Most of these shoes will be going very soon. I was a little busy today, but I am going to be taking out shoes here and there, posting them on IG, posting the prices and stuff like that. You're going to get it as is, of course. Most of my shoes are damn near DS, so I'm going to put the price up there. If you want them, you want them. If you don't, hey. So yeah, make sure y'all tune into the live streams. You guys are going to definitely enjoy that. I'll post you guys comments on live broadcasts so everybody can answer their question as well. And I had like a couple of different special guests on the channel. First one was Top Twirl, and then we had Captain Kirks on there. So hopefully we get some more YouTubers on there to talk about shoes, because that's, like I said, that's what we're here to do at the end of the day. So yeah, with all that being said, that whole little spiel, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, man, make sure you subscribe. We're gonna grind to 20,000 subscribers. We're at 1K or less than 1K now away from hitting that goal. It's gonna mean so much. I feel like that's gonna be super epic, man. From 0 subscribers to 20K, it's crazy. Hopefully I can get like a video made to where I know it's not big to some people, but it's big to me. That number means a lot. Especially coming from, you know what I mean? So hopefully I get something special for that 20K, but definitely the Air Jordan 11 Breds will be given away to some lucky winners, so y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, because I post stuff on there as far as like sneaker releases, some photos, how my day is going, stuff like that. You guys want to go follow me over on IG, the link will always be in the description box below, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into the video topic for today. It's gonna be very quick. Let's get it. All right, so if you've been living under a rock and you have not seen any of the past Yeezy releases that's been dropping, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of them, man. The first one we have is the lump right here, as you can see, and we also had the triple black joints, the non-reflective and reflective. Both of these came in the reflective and non-reflective, and then we had these right here. And of course, you guys know I did cop the citrons, and those things went right back because I felt like they look just like the lump, and I wanted to get you guys that review just so I can kind of compare and show you guys how similar they look alike. And if you like those laces that come in the lump that have the reflective in it, then you might want to go get the lump over the citrons, man. But like I said, all the shoes came with a reflective side to it. All the reflectives I feel are better than the non-reflectives. That's just my opinion. Give it a little more hype, give it a little bit more spice to the shoe. And yeah, here you go right here, man. So the citrons, you had these, you had the 350 triple blacks, and you have the lump, man. And the conversation I wanted to talk about today was which sneaker do you guys think, or which Yeezy do you think was the Yeezy of the year so far? So for me, it was kind of hard because I wear one shoe the most because it's, I don't know, I feel like it's more neutral, but then again it's not, which is the landmarks right here. But like I said, this is not what I think is the Yeezy of the year. The Yeezy of the year to me, this is my opinion. Like I said, all these videos I drop are subscriber based, so if I want to get you guys' opinion, what you guys think is the Yeezy of the year, man. And here we have it. To me, it was tough. It was between the Cloud Whites because I took an L on the Statics, and it was between, like, I'm dropping the shoe, and it was between the triple black joints just because it looks so similar to the Bread 350s, the black 350 V1s, and it was a little tough, man. So I had to decide which one I thought was the Yeezy of the year, and we still have a couple of Yeezys that are scheduled to release later on in the year. It's like a glow pair, it's like a multicolor pair. I think it's called like a top 3 Yeezy or something like that, and it's one more. It's like some purple in and stuff like that. But for me, it was these right here, man. That triple black 350 V2, man, with the dots on the back like you got on the V1s. This was a no-brainer for me just because it's, you can wear it with anything, you know what I mean? And you had the reflective laces in there. That little reflective hit makes the shoe look so much better, man, especially when you're taking like sneaker photos, when people looking at your kicks, man, you get that little reflective pop off of them. And it's an all black sneaker, man, and they have that special touch to the shoe, which I think was that tab in the back with the red dots, which reminds people so much of the V1s that dropped a couple years back, man. So for me, it had to be the triple black non-reflective 350 V2s. But like I said, I want to get you guys' opinion. I know some 700s to drop, like the Hospital Blues drop. They dropped the Inertia V2s, which dropped a couple other Yeezys, man. But for me, hands down, I had to get on StockX. It was a whole fiasco about me getting these. I dropped a video. He was about to fight over these in Germany. If you have not checked that video out, go check it out. A couple months back when I was overseas, you definitely want to tune into that video. But for me, it had to be these. All right, guys, so that is it for the video. Just a little quick sum up. Like I said, I want to thank you guys for helping the channel get to the 19,000 subscribers, man. We're so close to that 20K. You guys keep liking, keep commenting, and keep sharing the videos, stuff like that. Of course, we're gonna get to 20K so fast. Make sure you guys let me know what you think was the best Yeezy release of 2019 so far. I know a couple people might jump to conclusion and wait till those top 3 or those multicolored Yeezys drop to say those are the sneaker of the year or the Yeezy of the year. But for me, I feel like it's still gonna be these triple blacks, man. Right now, if you have not liked the video, hit the like button right now. The goal for every video was 200 likes. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below as always. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video or live stream, man. Peace.